Welcome back. You know what it is? Unless you don't get a proper tripod, I've got one of them mini ones. So now I'm on my knees talking to you because we're on part two. I think it's part two anyway. And we're going to put the car back together because I'm pretty sure on the last one we got it apart and I think I just ended it there because I done some sort of rant. But anyway, the next one I think I'm gonna have to invest on one of them £13 tripods that I keep saying. Oh, get this one. I've got one to be fair, but not the ones with the rechargeable battery. So you don't have the big lead. That's crap about them. You got to walk room with a lead, and it pulls out, and the next thing in the dark, and you're like, unless you got really shiny turkey teeth, you're like, I know what's going on. I can see his teeth. It's like, well, that's what happened. Bought a cheap tripod with a lead. So I'm not trying to sell you one because I haven't got one. So next time you'll see us with one. I'm not guaranteeing that, by the way. You probably won't because it'll take about 3 or 4 weeks to order one. But I'll get one. So, part two. No carb on it, is there? Because it's right there. You can't see it because it's off angle. So we'll get right in it and I'll put it back together. It's nice and clean, as you've seen. We'll get it back on. Make sure there's no rubbers. I'm pretty sure that's split, to be fair, and you have a good exam with that, or put some vinegar on it to soften it up. Because yeah, I think it might be split. So remember, I started up a while ago, and it revved like stupidly, and so as it's sucking everything through, I think there might be a crack, so it's sucking more air, and it was just like, and I thought the engine was going to explode. It didn't, because I stopped it. Sometimes you just need to go, no, don't suck or blow, and it stops. But instead, I panicked and just sucked out the spark plug, not with my mouth, with my hands, like that. And it stopped. So, any tips or tricks? Bloody tell me. Please. Sorry, I forgot. I don't hold your attention. This is different camera angles. There's ghosts in here. It's just pushed a bin over. Poltergeist, please go away. This little bin is in my way. Unless I have a drink, I'll sway like you. So please, little poltergeist, go away. Back over. What would you rather? A lot of me or a lot of the carb? To be fair, I didn't take a lot of it apart because look at that, man. Clean as a whistle. 2 little barrels, and he's a whistle. Come on, Marty. We're going back in time. We're going to see your parents. Right, come on. Enough of the shenanigans. To be fair, there's not a lot to put back together again. I think I put some screws in there. Don't know what that's for. It's for something. What's that something? Not there. Not there. It's not there because I'm not Frankenstein. I might feel like it sometimes. The little brass things are funny, aren't they? Boing, boing. You hear that? You hear it now. That's what I wanted. Remember, in school you had a ruler, and you go boing, and you go wow. A music man, me, boing, boing, boing. Anyway, so we'll put that on there. I don't think we need to see me put that together, do we? No. Silly me. Why would you put that back together dry? You just wouldn't, would you? I remember now in part 1, the gasket was knacked. It was cracked and it was chapped. We need to put a new gasket on. Otherwise it's going to do exactly the same. It'll leak petrol and it'll suck more in than what my ass can take. Agent for Blankety Blank. I must get there very quick. Think I'm at the right address. I see light. Who's that? Strange man. Here you go, sir. I'm going to refer to you because you look strange. Oh, speak of the devil. It's just a gasket, man. gasket, man. Anyway, let's look at the goods. I really do need a tripod, like, you know. You know it's all fake. You know it's all fake. It's like Repo Man. You know, Repo Man. It all looks good, and then you realise every episode is the same. You just mention this and do that. Excellent. Ooh, I've got a yellow ticket. It's only from MZ Spares, who holds 90% of what you need. Look at that, sexy. Sexy. Order a bag. Bag of what? Bag of gasket. Bag of gasket, mate. Just a bag of gasket to stick on there. Definitely gonna fit. Like, look at that, man. Looks sexy. Sexy. I think. Oh, there we're going. Holding it wrong way. There we're going. Right. Fit it, fit it, fit it. Sexy. Highlighted. Pink sexy. Yeah. So how's this going again? With the split thing? I should probably take that off and have a look, like I said, because it could be a thing. You think? Or should I just stick it straight on? I think we should just have a look. To be fair, I've just manipulated that a little bit. That gasket there looks nice, but just stiff. Can't see no cracks. New. Nope. Pretty. Ah, it's a copper gasket, right? Okay. Copper gasket on top of the rubber one. Yep. We'll just get that off. That's sliding off a nice and easy. I think it's rubber anyway. Feels plastic. You reckon I should just soak that in vinegar? I don't know. Listen to drop. Plastic. Right, another gasket. I better not get these mixed up. Is it? Bloody hell. It's definitely a gasket. Better be careful of this. You know, it's winter, you know, and it's cold. So if it's going to crack, it's going to crack now, isn't it? We don't want it to crack. We didn't want it to crack. You're a crack, then well done, you. Behind the screen going, it's gonna crack. It's gonna crack, mate. But to be fair, look at all that rust there. If this doesn't crack, I'll be surprised. I need a new one. Need a new one. Knocked. I've knocked it. Knocked it. May as well rip it off. Look, broke. You broke it. You there sitting there going, it's gonna break, it's gonna break. You broke it with your mind. Alright, Mr. Geller. Yeah. You're gonna have to wait till next week now till I fit this. I hope you're happy with yourself. Look what you did. You broke it. You broke it with your mind. Here's a joke from my unsponsored, sponsored by me. I don't sponsor nothing, but if you want to win something on a raffle, I'll show you what you can win on a raffle. Comment, and I'll choose a random winner to win this lovely thing. It's free. All you need to do is comment and subscribe. If I see you subscribe and comment, you're winning this. You can win this. Win it. You notice I said last time I'm going to change my name, and I did. 2. Ricky. Trash. How sexy is that? Signed by me. Win this. Just sign me jeans as well. Win it? It's lovely. Sealed with a kiss. Comment, subscribe if you can. If you can't, then you're not in the competition. It's yours. All you gotta do is move that thumb and comment, baby. Sweet, I'm off.
Thank you.